Hello students, welcome to computer class. As we have read the chapter number 1 of your computer book, Parts of Computer. I hope you all have understood that chapter. There is nothing tough in that chapter. All the subtopics are basics, right? So now we are going to do back exercise of this chapter. I had given you the homework to try to solve the back exercise of this chapter. I hope you all have tried. Today we will match the answers of the back exercise. If there is any correction work in your work, you can do side by side, right? So, first is fill in the blanks in your back exercise. First is a computer works with dash and dash. A computers work with data and instructions. Next fill in the blank is a computer can dash a large amount of information. A computer can store a large amount of information. Next fill up is a dash displays all the work that we do on computer. A monitor displays all the work that we do on computer. Next fill up is dash is used to point, select, move any object on the computer screen. So a mouse is used to point, select, move any object on the computer screen. Next fill up is a dash does all the calculations and displays the result on the monitor. So a CPU does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. Next is a monitor is also known as VDU, means Visual Display Unit. Next is true false. A computer has an IQ. No, a computer does not have an IQ. Computer does not have its own intelligence. Next is the output printed on paper is known as soft copy. No, it is false. The printed paper, the output on the printed paper is hard copy. The output on the monitor is called soft copy. Next is a computer has 4 main parts. Right. Next is MU stands for memory unit. MU stands for memory unit. Memory utility. Here they have written memory utility, that's why it is false. MU means memory unit. Next is CPU is made up of ALU and LU. No. CPU is made up of ALU, MU and CU. Next is a monitor is also known as VDU. A monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. It is true. Next is I give output on a paper. Which part of the computer gives output on a paper? Printer. Next is whatever you type and draw can be seen on me. On which part we can see the output? Monitor. I am not afraid of a cat. Sit on a mat. Have a long tail. I am not afraid of a cat. Sit on a mat. Have a long tail. Now, this riddle is about a mouse. I am a part of a CPU and do arithmetic calculation. Arithmetic logical unit does the arithmetic calculations. I am the boss and controls all the activities of the computer. So CU, control unit, does control the all the activities of the computer. Now next is application based question. Mary is reading the soft copy of a letter. Which part of the computer is she using? Now soft copy we can see on the monitor, so answer is monitor. Spriya wants to do painting on a computer. Which computer device will you suggest her to use for making a colorful drawing? Now you all have used Tux Paint. In Tux Paint we do the drawing with the help of a mouse. So mouse is very important in making a colorful drawing, right, on the computer. Next is Saurabh's mother has asked him to take out 50 copies of birthday invitation letter. Which device should he use to get the hard copy? So to take hard copy on a paper we use the printer. Next MCQ is dash can be words, numbers, pictures or sounds. Data can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. Next is a computer displays dash after processing the data. A computer displays output after processing the data. Next is dash controls all the parts of the computer system. CU, control unit, controls all the parts of the computer system. Next is the dash monitor consumes least power. LED monitor consumes least power. Next full form IPO, import, process, output. Full form of VDU, visual display unit. Next is CU, control unit. MU, memory unit. CPU, most easy, central processing unit. IQ, intelligence quotient. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. LCD, liquid crystal display. Next is question answers. First question is, what is a computer? Very important. A computer is one of the greatest invention of mankind. It works at a very high speed. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, check spelling, store information, do calculation, etc. on a computer. Simply you can write a computer is an electronic machine that takes data from a user, process it and gives us the useful information as a result. Okay. Next is, how do you enter data and instructions in a computer? So answer is, we enter data and instructions into a computer using a keyboard or a mouse. Next is, what do you call the information that you enter into a computer? So answer is, the information entered into the computer is called input. Fourth question is, which part of the computer shows the output? Monitor shows the output. Name the device that is known as the brain of computer. CPU is known as the brain of computer. List any two features of a computer. Features of computers are, it works at a very high speed. We can play games, write letter, draw pictures, listen to music, check spelling, store information, do calculation, etc. on the computer. Next is mention any two disadvantages of a computer. Now the disadvantages of computer are: a computer does not have an IQ. If we give the wrong input, it will give us the wrong result. Working on computer for long hours could affect our eyesight. So these are the disadvantages of the computer. So this is all about your back exercise of this chapter. I hope you all will be able to do the back exercise. If you have tried to solve the back exercise, you can match your answer. If any answer is wrong, you can correct it, right? So thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.